Describing my lads. When did you go? I went on vacation 2 years ago. Where did you go? I visit Santa Marta and its different beaches. Oh, did you head there? I traveled by plane with the airline Avianca. Who did you go with? I traveled with me cousin, my brothers, and my parents. How was the weather? I feel very hot in the day and at night a mixed climate. Where did you stay? I enjoyed staying at a hotel near the beach. What did you like the most about that place? I that's the best days this is of was cousin. How long did you stay in that place? I enjoyed this place for two weeks full of happiness. What place did you visit? I visit the beaches and amusement park in Santa Marta. What did you do? I rode a bicycle. Beautiful place. What was your favorite place? We ate to the beaches. They were my favorite place because I enjoyed their colors and water. Did you eat any special food? What is special for you? I ate coconut rice for its taste